Here are some idiomatic expressions in English that are about the cats. So, idiom number 1, let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag.
Well, technically, Stella let the cat out of the bag.
Almost let the cat out of the bag.
What does it mean? It means to reveal a secret accidentally. She doesn't want to reveal that secret about the surprise party. So she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Idiom number 2 about the cat is curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat.
Curiosity killed the cat.
A place where curiosity inevitably kills the cat.
Which means asking many questions can get you into trouble. Idiom number 3, like a cat on a hot roof. Like a cat on hot roof.
Like a cat on a hot tin roof.
I feel all the time like a cat on a hot tin roof.
Example, he was like a cat on a hot roof before the exam. Which means he was very nervous before he is going to do his exam. When cats are away, the mice will play.
When the cat's away, the mice will play.
While the cat was away, these mice tried to play.
Which means people may misbehave when authority is gone. Example, once the teacher left the room, the students start chatting. Idiom number 5, cats have 9 lives, or a cat has 9 lives.
Cat has 9 lives.
A cat is supposed to have 9 lives.
We use this idiomatic expression to talk about a person who survives many challenges or many risks, but he is still surviving or still alive. Example, he survived that terrible accident. He's like a cat with 9 lives. And number 6, fight like cats and dogs.
Brian and Alyssa would just fight like cats and dogs.
We fight like cats and dogs.
Example, siblings, they fight like cats and dogs, which means they fight a lot. Fight like cats and dogs. And number 7, look what the cat has dragged in. Look what the cat has dragged in.
Well, look what the cat dragged in.
It is said humorously when someone has arrived unexpectedly. For example, oh, look what the cat had dragged in. You are finally here. You can say it to a friend who has came to the party very late, for example. Number 8 is copycat. Copycat. It's a word, also an idiomatic expression that means someone who copies a lot or imitates people a lot. For example, you say to someone who copycat, you say, try your own opinions and stop copycat. And number 9, not enough room to swing a cat. Not enough room to swing a cat. Meaning a very small, tiny space or room or a cramped room. And the last one, listen, grinning like a Cheshire cat. Grinning like a Cheshire cat. What does it mean? It means smiling widely in a mischievous and mysterious way. For example, she was smiling like a Cheshire cat after hearing the news. And before we go, so don't forget the common and familiar one. It rains. cats and dogs, which means it rains heavily. Thank you. Bye bye for other idioms. This is Teacher Leila Tai.